So this is what the home currently looks like. The roof is about 5 feet high, and when we're done, it's gonna be like this. Voila! It's gonna be about 14 feet high up into the sky. We're gonna do all new vinyl siding. We're getting rid of some of the windows in that patio. We're turning that into a bedroom. So the siding company and roof company that I decided to work with sent me this cool link, so I get to play around with different brands of siding, coloring. I could put a color on the siding and then do another color on the roof to see what kind of combo I want to go with. So it's like a nice 3D version of what the house is gonna look like, and I'm just so excited because this project is finally coming underway. I've been obsessed with blue lately, so tell me what you guys think. I know I definitely I was going with either a blue or a gray, but I definitely want to go with the blue. So there's two blues that I really like, and I think with the shingles for the roof, I'm gonna go with either black, or I'm gonna go with like a dark gray. So that's the feel I'm going for. And my front door, I want it to be a bright red. Okay, we need to stand out in these streets. Okay, because yeah, she is here. So I'm gonna go with, I like this blue a lot. So tell me, the other blue that I had or this blue, which one do you guys like? But I can't wait to finally start this project in the next few weeks. So follow me for more.